Here's your help video for 2.3, writing linear equations from a graph. Let's look at number 1. We want to find the m and the b. The m is your slope, and we've been working on slope for a while now. So your slope is what is it changing by? In my case, it's going down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So the slope is going down 1 every time. And the b is my y-intercept. So that is, where does it cross the y-axis? And it crosses the y-axis, in my case, at 0. This line is coming down here and it hits the y-axis right here at 0. Cool. Let's try the next one. We all want the same thing. We want the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is, let's find some good intersections. How about from here to here? So we're going down and over, down 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5 over 2. So this will be down 5 over 2. Make sure if it's going downhill, it's negative, and if it's going uphill, it's positive. And then, now that we've got our slope, we want our y-intercept, which is right here, which is at -1. That's where it crosses the y-axis. How about this one? What is the slope of this guy? Well, looks like it's down 2 over 1. Now it says give it as a reduced fraction. So if I put down 2 over 1, it's going to mark it wrong because down 2 over 1 is the same as down 2, because 2 divided by 1 is just 2. Now what about the y-intercept? Write it as a point. So this is 2, but when it says write it as a point, we need to write it like this. Parentheses 0, comma 2, and that's like its whole name as a point. 0, comma 2 with parentheses. Now write the whole equation. So the slope is minus 2x and then plus 2, and there we go. So this says it's going down 2 every time. The x means every time, and the plus 2 means and it goes up 2 or it starts at 2. So down 2 every time and starts at 2. And there's a help video here attached if you'd like as well. Questions 4, 5, and 6 I took out because they were too hard. I'll just show you how this would work if you wanted. So this one's down 3 over 2. So what you would do is you would type y equals down 3 over 2x. And then the y-intercept is actually the tricky part, because it's at -5.5. And that's where it gets tricky. At least I think it's -5.5. Oh, you can't even submit it. Well, anyway, the problem is that the y-intercept is a fraction, and that's why I took those out, because they were too hard. So you can't do 4, 5, and 6. Let's go on to 7. So the slope, up 3 over 2. So that would be 3 over 2x. And the y-intercept is at -1. Bam, and another help video attached there. How about this one? This one is going down 5 over 2. So we would put down 5 over 2x. And where does it start? At 2. Okay. All right, and last one works the same way. Let me know if you